In today's fast-paced industrial environments, unplanned downtime isn't just a disruption, it's a direct hit to your bottom line. Your operations need more than reactive maintenance. They demand continuous insight to prevent problems before they start. What if you could see inside your compressor's most critical component, its dry gas seal, and detect issues long before they become failures? Introducing John Crane Sense Turbo, a pioneering solution that embeds sensors directly into the dry gas seal metalwork with no functional impact on the seal itself, delivering near real-time insights from the heart of your compressor. This breakthrough technology provides real-time, continuous monitoring of your compressor's dry gas seal health, helping you stay ahead of failures and extend equipment life. Equipped with acoustic emissions, temperature, and liquid presence sensors, John Crane Sense Turbo continuously monitors seal health without impacting the integrity, performance, and lifespan of the dry gas seal. It offers much more than equipment failure detection. It identifies the conditions that cause them, from seal face contact to liquid contamination and thermal stress. It improves operational procedures during startup, shutdown, and troubleshooting, helping you optimize maintenance schedules and extend mean time between repairs. Each sensor plays a vital role. The acoustic emission sensor detects contact and liftoff events earlier than vibration sensors. The liquid presence sensor identifies oil migration from the separation seal. The temperature sensors monitor thermal extremes and support diagnostics. The data is securely transmitted to the John Crane Sense platform, located either in the cloud within John Crane's secure hosted cloud environment or directly on the customer's IT platform, where it's analyzed and visualized in near real time. This information offers access to seal health, alerts, and trend data, accessible from your devices anytime, anywhere. John Crane Sense Turbo is designed for flexible deployment, whether as a retrofit on an existing dry gas seal or a first-fit solution. Installation is straightforward, requiring only minor modifications to seal metalwork and piping. No changes to compressor end walls or seal cavities are required. Dating back to 2015, our dry gas seal monitoring has logged over 1 million operating hours, captured hundreds of combined compressor startups and shutdowns, and delivered actionable insights that continue to optimize operations. Startup data becomes a benchmark for future diagnostics, helping you detect anomalies before they become failures. Backed by over a century of engineering excellence and a global network of support, John Crane is your partner in reliability, performance, and innovation. John Crane Sense Turbo, intelligence at the heart of your compressor.